In Week 25 of the Premier League, Manchester United secured a victory against Luton Town on Sunday night. Ten Hag's squad displayed an impressive performance during their visit to Luton Town's ground, securing a 2-1 win with 2 goals from their striker, Rasmus Hojlund, within the first 7 minutes. Hojlund's achievement makes him the youngest player in Premier League history to score goals in 6 consecutive matches. With this triumph, Manchester United is now just 3 points behind 5th-placed Tottenham Hotspur. Goalkeeper Andre Onana received praise for his outstanding performance with Manchester United, particularly for his angelic attempt to block a shot from a Luton Town player, which drew attention on social media. Netizens humorously edited Onana's photo by adding wings to his back and, in some cases, animal claws resembling the Liverpool logo to his feet, leading to various joking comments from other users.
I feel like an addict 'cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.